eto sa panig naman neto po si Senator Panfilo Lacson at dito din po kay former Secretary DPWH Manuel Bunoan dahil itinanong naman neto po si Senator Panfilo Lacson dito po kay dating DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunoan kung papaano ba nagkakaroon ano po ng alokasyon sa kanila po mga budget, especially ang isa pong mambabatas kahit hindi pa po ito aprobado or naipapasa bilang isang batas. Sa pagdinig sa Senado kahapon ay binigyang diin neto po si Lacson ang kahina-hinalang proseso ng pre-insertion kung saan ay meron pong mga proyekto na nakapaloob sa panukalang budget bago pa man po ito dumaan sa tamang deliberasyon. Kanya pong ipinunto mga kabombo na eto po ganito pong sistema ay nagbubukas po ng pinto sa katiwalian at hindi transparent ano po ng paggastos ng pondo ng bayan. Tumugon naman eto po si Bunoan na ang DPWH ay sumusunod lamang daw sa mga direktiba ng Kongreso at ng DBM sa paglalagay neto po mga proyekto sa kanila pong budget. Narito pakinggan at panoorin naman po ninyo eto pong palitan ano po ng pahayag neto po si Senator Panfilo Ping Lacson at eto po si former Secretary of DPWH Manuel Bunoan.
Your Honor, I would not know actually the arrangements that are being made actually.
He was your USEC USEC for operations.
Yeah, Your Honor, but I think in the NEP is just the listing of the project.
Budget proposal.
Budget proposal, Your Honor. So, that's
So,
all.
paano nakapag-insert yung mga legislators sa budget proposal pa lamang? Wala pa sa authorization phase, ika nga, or legislation phase.
Yes,
That's
Your
the
Honor.
domain of the executive. So, paano nakikialam na yung mga legislators sa insertion? And sinong responsible dito? Planning.
Your Honor, I think this is what we want to clarify actually.
Please.
In the preparation of the national expenditure proposal in the NEP, I think we consolidate all the requests and proposals. For example, in the Senate, there is a leadership fund that is being earmarked for senators.
Leadership fund.
Leadership fund.
Kindly elaborate.
We call it leadership fund. In order that if there are actually priority projects that may be requested by members of the Senate, this is where we are going to include it into the national expenditure program. Your Honor?
Teka, hindi ko makuha. Kasi yung NEP, itatransmit sa Congress, lower house, and then eventually, pagka House Gov, akin sa Senate.
Yes.
Bakit sa National Expenditure Program, meron agad insertions? That I cannot really understand for the life of me, no?
Well, we don't really call it insertion, Your Honor. We call it consolidation for the time being, because this is actually when we put it into the NEP, this is actually the President's program. This is the President's program.
President's budget.
President's budget. President's budget. So this is consolidating all the requests from all sectors, like in the Senate, Congress, and everything, Your Honor. So this is where the list of projects are all incorporated into the NEP.
Who vets this? Sino nagbe-vet?
The vetting actually is with the planning service, so that it will be consistent with the projects that are being included are consistent with the development program of the government.